Okay, hi there, Judd here. I've been wanting to do this since I cut that log out. I'm going to try to split this and cut a board out of it. So we're just going to take a shot at this for grins and giggles, see how it goes. Be a nice board if I get it out of there. So wish me luck. Okay, just to give me a break and to show you where I am. Okay, I got the two parallel lines cut, not very deep. Still got that whole log to go through, and I've got the two parallel lines cut here on the end. Okay, so that's the board. And then if that works, then out of each side, again, I will take the center cut out of each side and have two more center cut boards. In pine, center cut is very important for warpage. It won't warp. Okay, that's the theory anyway. Look where we are. Isn't this beautiful? And here's my gorgeous cedar tree. Still cooking along here, and this is the area I'm cleaning up for it. So this is sort of part of that cleanup. My arms are tired. Okay, I'm through on one side. There's my chain. Okay, you see I made it through. Even cut a piece of that off. So that's all I gotta do is continue that for another 6 feet on each side or 4 feet on each side. Whew. Okay, I've run into a problem I did not anticipate. The blade itself is getting very hot. Hot enough to make my trigger finger very uncomfortable. So I'm giving it a minute to cool down. But you can see, if you can see the light to the groove. So I'm making good progress on this. About halfway on that left-hand one, all the way through, about halfway down, and just a little bit more to go on the rest of it. That one's still got, the right-hand one still has a lot to go, but this is working out very nicely. I'm happy. But we also got some thunder, some big thunder happening up there. We were supposed to be hit by a big thunderstorm a couple hours ago, and we didn't. So, and it's been thundering for an hour or so, but we'll see what happens. So we're just gonna let that cool down for a bit, and then we'll pick it up. I want to get that done before the rain comes. You know, I was just thinking, I've got another, God knows, 20, 30 feet of this tree, which is all good, but this is such an inefficient process. I'm thinking that one, I'll just do a totem pole. Okay, I've got about an inch of wood left on that end. I don't know if you can see there you go, you see the light? Can you see the light? I don't know. All the way up there. Okay, and the same thing on the other end, just to keep that in place so the whole thing's stable while I cut the other side. Now I got half of that other side to do. I barely have the strength left to keep my finger on the trigger. This is not how they do it in sawmills, but you got to think back. In the early days, all they had was hand saws, and you'd have two men on that 16-foot saw cutting timbers, cutting boards out of trees. Imagine what that took. That is just amazing. I'm amazed we ever had a board back then. The chain has jumped, so I've got to reset the chain with inches to go. It's held up pretty damn good, but I'm generating so much heat there. So we'll see how that goes. Whew. There you go. That is probably the most expensive piece of lumber I have ever obtained. And it was free. I got a good slab of pine there. That's going to be beautiful. And then I can come at these. I've got a flat surface on these now, so I can actually come at these with a regular circular saw and cut the same width out of the center of those, and that'll leave me with 4/4. And we'll see what we do with all that stuff. But anyway, thank God I got it. Oh. Oh. Whoa! Wow! Did you see that? Wow. Okay. Just had a big flash of lightning, so I got out of the pool. Happy day to you.